adventure is a whirlwind tour through some captivating spaces. We kick off by freezing through the automatic doors of an architecture marvel, stepping into a world of creativity. The atrium dazzles with its display of architectural models, each one a testament to innovation. A quick chai break fuels our buzz before we hit the party, absorbing the energy of the surroundings. Finally, we indulge into a spot of shopping at Tops, rounding off our journey with a touch of retail therapy. Thanks for tagging along on this whirlwind adventure. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more bite-sized discussions.